Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini step by step. Google Gemini is a free AI assistant that can answer questions, write content, generate ideas, summarize documents, and much more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Gemini website. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the New Chat page. Click the message box at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or prompt, then press Enter or click the Send button. Gemini will generate a response in a few seconds. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. If you want Gemini to analyze a document or image, click the plus or attach button. Select your file, then ask Gemini to summarize, explain, or analyze it. You can also ask Gemini to write emails, create presentations, generate code, translate languages, or help you brainstorm ideas. To start a new conversation, click New Chat. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Gemini. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.